In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for Kanban project management in a non-technical team. Start by opening Trello and logging into your account. Once you're in, click Create, then choose Board. This is where your whole project will live, so give the board a clear name that matches the project or team you're managing. After that, click Create to open your new workspace. Now set up the basic Kanban structure. Add lists called Backlog, To Do, In Progress, Review, and Done. These lists represent the full journey of a task from idea to completion. Backlog is for tasks that exist but aren't ready to start yet. To Do is for work that's been selected and is ready to begin. In Progress is for active work. Review is for anything waiting on feedback or approval. Done is for completed tasks. Next, start adding work into the board. Open a list and click Add a Card, then type in a task name. Keep card titles short and specific so everyone can understand them at a glance. Then click Add Card. Repeat this for each task you want to track. Once a card is created, open it to add more detail. Click Members to assign the task to the right team member. This makes ownership clear and helps avoid confusion. Then click Labels to organize cards by priority, department, or task type. Labels are especially useful for non-technical teams because they give quick visual context without needing a complicated system. If a task has a deadline, click Due Date and set it. This helps the team stay on schedule and makes it easier to spot urgent work. You can also use checklists and set a card for subtasks. That's helpful when one task includes a few smaller actions that need to be completed in order. If there are documents, references, or links connected to the task, attach those directly to the card so everything stays in one place. As work begins, move cards from Backlog to Do when they're ready to be picked up. When someone starts working on a task, move it from To Do to In Progress. Once the work is finished and needs feedback or approval, move it to Review. After it's approved or fully completed, move it into Done. The simple flow gives everyone instant visibility into what's waiting, what's active, and what's complete. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To make planning even easier, use Calendar or Board View to visualize deadlines and workload. That's especially useful when you're managing campaigns, content, operations, or admin work across a non-technical team. And that's it. You've now built a simple Trello Kanban system that keeps tasks organized, responsibilities clear, and progress easy to follow. Congratulations, and you're ready to start managing your projects more smoothly with Trello.